All right, we're going to do 3D. We're going to just draw a roof on here, just for fun. I'm going to use 3DFACE to start with and see what we can do after that. I'm going to, from the top here, okay, usually when you draw a roof, you draw it in 45s and that sort of thing, so I'm going to just try and use that idea for 3D as well. Let's see what I can do here. Create a layer for roof. I've got a layer for roof, I think. Maybe I haven't. Ooh, that's interesting. Let's create a layer called roof. I don't know what I've got in here. New layer. Okay. Roof. Let's go 2D. All right, I'm creating another layer. Roof 3D. Okay. Roof 3D. All right. Delete that one. Okay, so let's go with roof 2D. Let's make that red color. Okay, that. And I should have, at the same time, I should have gone roof here. All right, let's have a look. What if I, usually you would draw from, okay, here, 45, line from here, turn on the object snap, here. All right, the problem now, if I'm snapping here, I don't know if I'm snapping to the top or the bottom of the wall. And that's a bit of an issue for me. All right, so that's a problem when you're snapping. What are you snapping to? All right. I'm just going to go from the bottom of here, because it doesn't really matter at this instance. I'm actually going to use another tool here as well to help me out. Polar. Right click. Set it to 45 degrees. Okay, let's go line from the end of that, and this will just give me a nice 45-degree line. There it is. I don't care how long it is. Now, in theory, hopefully I'm snapping to the same point for all four corners, and it doesn't matter. It could be the top of the wall, it could be the bottom of the wall. Just hope it is. I can just check as I'm going. It is the bottom of the wall, which is fine, as long as they're all the same. All right? All right, so let's go line from here to there, that's fine. Line from here to there. There you go. Just checking all the time, checking, and we've got the same level. Has to be the same level. That's pretty good. Okay. All right, top again. All right, now just simple 2D tools. Fillet with a radius of 0 is good. Here, 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 and here. Okay, draw a line from the end of that to the end of that. Now, if you've done a section through here, you know where your roof will be. Now, this thing here is 2.4 high. Maybe the roof is another 1,500 on top of that. What's 2.4 plus 1,500? 2949, I think. The ridge should be around 49. Does that make sense? All right, so if I go here, right click, properties, I can change the, oh, maybe I can't. Okay, I can't change it in one hit, I don't think. So what I've got to do is just move this thing here, enter from here, at 0 in the X, 0 in the Y. Was it 4.9? Does that sound about right, or is it 3.9? What am I doing? 3.9, is it? 3.9. It was 2.4 plus 1,500, so it was, what's that? 3.9, isn't it? Yeah. My brain's not working. 3,900. Enter. All right. So in theory, that's moved up. There it is. Okay. All right. Now, how are we going to do this? All right. Well, the other thing we're going to do is move those things to 2.4, or do I? Yes, I'll move them up to 2.4. I'm not sure whether we can actually do this. Yes, we can. Of course, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. All right. Move this here at 2.4. Move these ones here to 2.4 because I wanted them up at the top. Here, it's different ways of doing it, but so I'm doing it. From here at 0, 0, 29. What's no 39? 39. Okay, 39. Oh no. It's 2.4. Move these and these and these and these. Enter. At 0, 0 to 400, enter. Okay. All right, so now we're here. Doesn't really matter actually. I didn't even need to move these up. I don't even need to put that up there. I can use the 3DFACE command and just create some faces on there. It's not a solid at this stage. It's just a face. I didn't even need to move them up actually because I already got those points there. It just sort of helps us to have an outline. But yeah, okay, I'll put it up there. You don't need to. Yeah, I'll just put it up there so it forms that roof in a skeleton format. There. It's there, but it's not really, it's just see-through. Okay, so let's go with the 3D line roof. Okay, I'm going to use a command called 3DFACE. All right, and I'm just going to basically click on, get rid of that. 2.4 didn't quite make it anyway. 2.430, wasn't it? So, okay, so it really needed, anyway, I'm not going to bother with that. I didn't need those lines anyway, so I'm just going to erase them anyhow. All I needed is that ridge there, and it'll be all right. I've got my set outs. That's all I needed really. So I'll go 3D face, I will do. And I go from the end of this. It's not really correct, but anyway. Interesting. We haven't got a snapping point there, have we? Oh, interesting. Maybe we didn't need those lines. Control Z. Okay. I'll just leave them in there. So the whole thing could move up another 30, you reckon? Let's move out another 30 for the whole thing for a minute. Let's see if that works. At 0,0,30. Alright, so if I go 3DFACE, hopefully this will work. Well, it did work over there with young pool. There we go. Now, so we didn't need those in the end. Okay. Oops. Okay, so if I just so we can check what we're doing, here we go. We're putting a surface on there, okay? So if I keep going with that, I just like to work in this for a minute. Easier to see for me. Okay, 3DFACE, and I'll go to here. All right, just have to trace over that. Oh, that didn't work. It's not finding it, is it? All right, start from here. Sometimes. Okay, that's done. And really, at the end of the day, you can just use all sorts of stuff. You can mirror. You can mirror if you want. That from the midpoint. Where are we? Mirror that from find the midpoint of something. Well, I'm not finding it, so I'll just do it. Okay, so let's go 3DFACE. Hey? Sorry? No, just a line. I could have set out one, but I didn't have one set out. No, just the center of the house. 3DFACE, up arrow comes up. Get rid of this. Okay, there we go. You can only do up to 4 points. A minimum 3. All right, so here it is. Conceptual. So I've got a roof on here, like so. All right. Okay, so that's that part of it. I'm not sure you can actually go and do some thickening. No, that won't allow you to thicken that. So anyway, that's just a shell that we've got in there. So basically, you can, if I put the X-ray on, just a roof like that. We can put the section plane on. Let's have a look what we get there. Oops, section plane, draw, section, ortho, oh, sort of ortho, enter, this side. Alright, so if I click, right click, activate live sectioning, click, right click, we go generate, create, okay. See what happens? We don't get the roof because the roof is a surface and not a solid. Alright? Oh, good. So it's better to have a solid. Just stop this recording for a minute.